back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions. What's the price change goes in a Ecomi or Omi coin? What's the current status of the Omi network in a cryptocurrencies market? So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please friends subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about Omi coin. Friends, the live price predictions of the last one day of the Omi coin on the screen you are watching now. The last one day price predictions. The change in the Omi coin in the last one day is negative 6.31%, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.008 is the high price of Omi coin in the last one day, friends. If we look the price predictions on the chart, so they are falls down for a little time, and again after a falls they again jump upward and again falls down, and now currently this kind of change occur in the Omi coin. They are taking a jump for a little time, and after a little jump they again falls down. Now friends, for more details, let's check it out. The last 2 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 2 hour in a Omi coin? So friends, the last 2 hour price change is absolutely a negative because they falls down. Negative 0.53% change occur in the Omi coin in the last 2 hour, and the high price of Omi coin is $0.008169 is the high price of Omi coin in the last 2 hour, friends. Friends, if we look the price prediction on the graph, so continuously falls occurs in the Omi coin in the last 2 hour, friends. So for more details, now let's check it out. The last 1 hour price prediction, they are also in the falls. As you can see here, the big dump of the Omi coin are starts now from this time, and now they are also in the falling mood. The average change occur in a Omi coin in the last 1 hour at this time is negative 0.17% change occur in the Omi coin, and the high price of Omi coin is about $0.008097 is the high price of Omi coin in the last 1 hour, friends. If you look the price prediction chart, so the price prediction chart tell us that now they are in the falling mood. Their dumping time of the Omi coin are starts now, friends. So according to the price prediction, the last 1 hour, the last 2 hour, the last one day price prediction changes are also in the negative. So friends, don't worry about these kind of changes. They are temporary changes. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they falls down in the future, but we always think positive. Don't think negative every time. Think positive. So my suggestion for you to please hold your Omi coin with the last of this month, because the big explosion of the Omi coin starts after a 15 April. So wait for it. Wait for the pumping time of the Omi coin. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates.